Hello, and welcome to this video on how to install Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps to download and install Visual Studio Code on your development machine. First, we need to go to the Visual Studio Code website. Open your web browser and go to code.visualstudio.com. This will take you to the official website. Here you can see the Download for Windows button. Click on this button to download the installer. If you're not on a Windows machine, this will reflect your operating system instead. Once the installer is downloaded, double-click on the installer to run it. In the installer window, you can choose the installation location and the components you want to install. By default, all the components are selected. You can leave these settings as they are, or you can change them if you want. I'm going to leave the defaults and just click through. The installation process will start. It may take a few minutes to complete depending on your machine. Once the installation has completed, click Finish, and this should launch Visual Studio Code. Now that we have Visual Studio Code installed, let's add the live server extension. To do this, we'll need to open the extensions panel on the left-hand side of the window. In the search bar, type live server. You should see the live server extension appear in the search results. Click Install to add the extension to Visual Studio Code. That's it. You now have Visual Studio Code installed and the live server extension ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.